Hello friend, today I am going to show you this beautiful money bouquet for Chinese New Year and Year of Dragon. Time to watch with me to make this beautiful bouquet. I am going to show you how to make dollar bouquet. It's money bouquet, I should say, with $2, single dollar, $5, 10, 500, 1,000, whatever you want, and however you prefer. We have a kebab stick. You can cut it in smaller pieces, which I did, or you can have a small shish kebab, or maybe longer toothpick. I rather to have a stronger one, which is nice, long. So I cut them a smaller piece, which is about maybe 3 inches. It's up to you what size do you want, but 3 or 4 inches are perfect. And I like to make some pointy at one-sided because they are going inside the foam. So you cut them at the end a little bit to make it a little bit pointy. You can use hot glue, which my pan is hot. You can use floral adhesive. So anything that you prefer. You cannot use a Scotch tape or two-sided because after a while they are coming out. But this kind of glue are very strong and they last forever. So you get your $2 bill that I have a lot here. Make sure brand new one from bank. Face out. Face showing this way. This is the finished part, but you are with me that I can show you how to do. You go to the center of your single or money. The pointy one is down because it's going to the foam, just like flour. You put it inside the glue. You go to the center of your money. Make sure hold it, it's hot, be careful. Bring the other two sides in. I have to stay to this be dry, then I can work with the point. Get this 2 point glued. Maybe I can use this for glue. Just a little bit of glue both sides and this side. These two go on top of each other, these two sides. I wish I am showing good in the camera for you guys to see better. And pull this as much as possible. I do few more, so I will show you better. And press this part hard. You want to show number here and face here. So I do one more time to make the glue stay better. One more time. I don't hold it with my hand that you can see better. This part and this part. These two, glue it together and pull out. It didn't stay together. I'm going to do another one. So I have to pull this out. Basically something like this, but I like this one better, but I will do one more. So put glue in center. These two corners glued. Oh, it's hot. Okay. I think this is better. So number is showing and face is showing. This is very important. And make sure it's a stick, this part stays together very tightly, that it's not coming out. So this is what we are doing. I made few here, but I want to do one more for you guys to see better. Face, center, with hot glue is a little bit hard because I am afraid to burn my hand. Center, as soon as you find the center, fold these two sides together and put glue. As soon as it's a little bit cold or dried out, I can put these two together. These two corners, face and number is showing. So I wait to be dry, and then I will use all of them in the bouquet. I show you how to make your bouquet. You can use any type of bouquet holder or any kind of foam. Size is almost about 8 inches. You can start with your single dollar or $2. As long as they are sharp, you don't need glue. You just push this down. I didn't make this one sharp. They need to be a little sharp. Okay. We go in. Okay. Go around. Just like flower, petals are out, that they show nicer in the bouquet when you are done. Okay, you go one row in center and come out, just following shape of flower. I'm going to put few in center to make the bouquet full and nice. Okay, just this one. Balance is just like flower. Balance is very important. I push this more down. And maybe one more here. Okay. I have a few of the lucky envelope. I can put a stick on those two. Doesn't matter on the back or front as long as it's a stick. So I hold it here. I have some ready-made. I go under all money to just present lucky. Lucky envelopes are very nice to give nicer look to the bouquet. I do have some. You don't have to have any kind of filler flower, but this is dried million star. You can put, if you want, or anything, any kind of dried flower or filler, if you want. So I can separate them and go inside to cover, just like flower arrangement, to cover mechanic. If you have seen any of my videos, I've always talk about cover mechanics. So same thing here. I can separate this and have them ready one by one. It takes a little bit time to do any project, of course, so we have to be patient. I can go in between, or I can go around, or both way. More of this product. If you put fresh kind of filler, they will dry out. Most of fillers, they do dry out very nice, so no problem. I want to add more. Okay, almost. We have to make it more fancy and nicer, of course. This is good not only for Chinese New Year. If you don't add Chinese design, you can use it for any purpose. For birthday, for baby shower, especially for girls or boy, you can have the theme as a boy or girl. I use for baby shower also. I don't think we need this. I would like to wrap it in fancy paper. I show you how to wrap. I put this in here that I already made just to make it. But I'm gonna add more paper to make it nicer. Look. You can put rubber band here to hold it tight. You don't need to glue this. Just as a basic coverage. Oh, one money came out. So I'm gonna do gold. You can go to the center of this and red to the end. So go each corner separately that you have more corners coming out. So basically you put one in center of the other. Find the center point, put your bouquet in the center, and bring everything up. This part is very important. You want to make sure they all balance. So hold it tight. Bring all the paper out. Okay. I like to push more down to make it very tight. It's really holding it. I think I need, one more rubber band to hold it tight. Then we can wrap it with ribbon or something more fancy. Push this more up. You see this, the rubber band comes more up. As much as tight you have it, it's a stay longer and stronger. Pull this out, corners coming out to give nicer look to your bouquet. Okay, it's there, but I'm gonna put two nice fancy gold with glue that we have. So put few dot of glue on your rubber band. You want to cover that rubber band. It's very important. Or put your gold ribbon in the glue. Watch your hand that you don't burn yourself. Bring your band, gold band around and push together. And glue it on top of each other. So basically, that's how you are doing. But I'm going to do one more. I'm going to put glue on this one. Glue will hold it also tight. Okay, a little bit longer to get dry. Okay, I put one more just to make it more fancy in lower section. So I need glue again. Okay, I put here a little bit lower, go around, hold it, make sure it's tight and stay together. I need more glue. Maybe next time I use adhesive, floral adhesive, those are also very strong. But hot glue is glue gun, you can use glue gun. But be careful that you don't burn yourself. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna look inside to make sure if I have any mechanic showing, just like fresh flower. Okay, here it is, our money bouquet for Chinese New Year and Year of Dragon.